Look at this. This right here represents Among Us as a whole. And this is a knife. For me, this is what I think of Among Us. Among Us is gay! Now to the real meat of the video. Look at that. That's the brightest it's gonna get. Well, let me turn on the light real quick. Let me say this again. Among Us is gay. So isn't it? See, I look in my eyes, that's another eye reveal. And I did the nose reveal, and the mouth reveal, eyebrow reveal, forehead reveal. This is what we have today. What is it? Guns, because I'm American. Or am I? I could be someone from Afghanistan. And I go to school, yeah. By the way, this is a cardboard. This is a plastic knife, and it cuts through cardboard. Look at all those guns. Right here, look at. Look at the dent I just made. Right there. Here, we'll just put this. You just gotta cut this open. Alright, this is by Bug Attack. Not sponsored, by the way. But hey, if they wanted to sponsor me, I won't do it. I hate Raid Shadow Legends. If they ever try contacting me, I will shoot them. Oh, not them. I'll shoot Nate. I mean, yeah, it's a lot of money, but do I really need to sell myself out for a bad game? Oh yeah, Alan Wood. Sued for what? I'm just telling them not to contact me. No, it's not. Bro, they make it look bad themselves. The game's boring. Technically not threatening them, but just telling them never to contact me again. Yeah. Because they've contacted me before and I didn't like it. And you sound like a threat, mate. We're even. Do I still have the scissors in here from when I cut the thing? I didn't call you strong, I called you gay. So how is that calling you strong? Why? Bro, companies and packaging, bro. Here we go, we got the bullets out. And there's a pistol here too. Oh, it's a revolver. What do you mean? Bro, there's scissors. Or not scissors, but they're like... What do you mean? No, what? You mean the VR? Nate, you mean the VR? Yeah, I showed him. When you were gone. Yeah, when you were gone. What? I showed him the motion controller and he guessed it right. Because I was like, guess what I have? And he's like, and I showed him the motion controller. He's like, oh, is that a controller for VR? So yeah, once you two come over, you'll be able to test it, except Nate, because Nate's got the Rona. Oh, so anyone watching this video, go and harass Nate for having the Rona. And tell him it's kind of cringe. That's the same thing. What? Yeah, they stick a thing up your nose and it tickles. Yeah. Yeah, it does when I did it. Because they put it like really far up your nose. Yeah, it does. It didn't hurt. Alright, everyone. We got the revolver out. Does it spin when I... It does spin when I do that, okay. Why does it sound like something's broken now? Here, listen to that. I guess? Yeah. Again, proving it's fake. Ah! Nate's a black dude? No, Alan can throw cards. Bro, why would... There we go. We've got the shotgun. That's pretty gay, look at that. You can't do that, and it's not even... It's not a pump nor a lever. Oh, look at that! Oh, wow, look at that. It's a double barrel, but it's not a pump action, and it's not even a lever action. It's a pullback action. Alright, let's see how it works. Did I shoot both of them? Oh, I didn't. How are you supposed to shoot the other one? Ah! Bruh, this is kind of cringe. Now we have these little things. Oh, drop them. Don't know what these are for. There we go, got it open. Yeah, I get it. Islander. Ew. So you guys can't tell because you can't touch, obviously, because you cringe. But look at this. You see those silver balls? Well, they're like sticky. Yeah. Oh, you know what? I think it goes like this. I think I'm supposed to... Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. So then Nate's. I moved. Alright, you ready? Stupid little thing. Bro, can you like not fall down? You know what this makes me want to do? Oh. That's not good. I don't even want to open the rest of those. We have something else here. We have this. Yes, I know I hate Fortnite, but the whole reason I have this, right, is to shoot my brother. And you... So that's all I have for this video. I mean, I could go and shoot him right now, but that'll be a separate video on its own. Now, if you don't click off this video in 3 seconds, I'm gonna shoot you. Actually, you know what? Let me get the revolver out. Let me just load up this revolver. And also, why would you make it so a revolver loads up like this? Through the front. Okay. Like, subscribe. Actually, you don't even have to like the video, I don't care. Join my Discord server. Follow me on Twitter. It's not Melon King 1 It's like Joe. It's in my channel description. Click off this video in 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1.